Hey, hi friends, good evening. This is Sandy from Sandhai Pechu. Hope you guys doing good. Stay safe. And today's 24th November. The time is 11 p.m. I'm doing a video, so I'm going to upload this video by tomorrow afternoon. So let's get back to this topic. And before getting to the topic, kindly subscribe for more my channel for more updates. And today I'm going to do another intraday strategy, and this is completely different from my previous videos. So that's what I'm going to do right now. So because 2 days or 3 days back I've posted one video whether Nifty will reach 13,000. I said Nifty will reach 13,000. So once it sustains, we can discuss about that after that. And thank God the Nifty has reached 13,000 today. And today Dow Jones, the crude oil, the S&P 500, everything got it a huge positive side because of Corona as well as the Joe Biden speech or everything. Okay, so let's get back into the topic. Let's do this topic called intraday setup. So what my condition is like, I'll tell the condition. Once after that we can go to the strategy. Today Nifty is almost like 1%, close to 1%. See, my strategy is like, my strategy is like, if the Nifty is above 0.25%, you can go for a buy side stocks, that is going to be trending stocks, a gainers or trending stocks. If the Nifty is 0.25%, that is more than minus 0.25%, you can go for a selling stocks or downside stocks or seller stocks or loser stocks. If the Nifty is between plus 0.25 to minus 0.25%, that is going to be neutral market. Try to avoid that. That's one thing. And secondly, we're going to follow this 50 minutes time frame. Second thing. And thirdly, we're going to use a new indicator called parabolic SAR. That's for third thing. And fourth, you can keep the target as 40% and keep the stop loss as 1:1. So these are things I'm going to teach you in this strategy, intraday strategy. So let's see how it's going to work. Okay. So today the Nifty is plus 1%, and the Nifty has crossed 13,000. That's very good news, and it's 1%. So I need to prefer a more of kind of trending stocks, either in buy side or kind of gainers. Gainers is going to be very easy one. It's just a icing on the cake. So just go for gainers and see the top 3 stocks, that is after 9:30. Suppose consider this as a 9:30 because the market has been closed, and right now the time is 11 o'clock and the market has been closed. Just consider as 9:30 and see the top 3 stocks, which is Adani Ports, Axis Bank and HDFC Bank, and try to add all 3 in this watch list, that is bucket list. Choose Adani Ports as the first one. I'm going, because this is completely going to be 50 minutes time frame, I'm introducing an indicator called parabolic SAR. This is a new indicator I'm introducing first time, and I'm back tested. It's working out some kind of stuff. So you guys also can analyze it, trade it and backtest it. Once if you like it, please comment it and let me know. So maybe I can introduce a lot of indicators to make you guys very profitable in a green manner. Okay. So the first, because this is a 15 minutes time frame, I used parabolic SAR indicator. This is a parabolic SAR. This dotted lines are parabolic SAR. The parabolic SAR indicates from top to bottom, from bottom to top, it means bullish. From top to bottom, it means bearish. This is one thing. And using 15 minutes time frame. So let's finish the first candle, that is 9:15 to 9:30. Just see the 9:31, that is going to be second candle. So see the second candle open price, that is 387.25. Almost, if you once you put the buying price as 387.25, just keep it as 40% target. Definitely 40% target definitely would have reached here. So see this parabolic SAR second off, the market is giving a bearish side. So try to book the 40% or 30% target and come out of the market. And see the second stock, Axis Bank, that is going to be again another top 10 gainers list. Again the Nifty is positive, that's what I'm choosing this stock. Second candle open price, see this is going to be clear parabolic SAR. Second candle open price 604.15. The almost market has given almost like 18 points market has given. So anyway, our target is going to be 30 to 40%. Even the stop loss is going to be 1:1. So excuse me. So anyway, going to achieve a target very easily. This thing Third, HDFC Bank. Again, this is going to be kick ass. And see, first candle. Wait for the second candle open price 1419. Almost the market is given almost like 293 and almost like 20 points given. Market close to 30 points, 25 points given. So because the parabolics are also indicates a clear buy trend. See the second candle dotted line, a clear buy trend. So from there the market is given a 40. Even the market has achieved a 40%. So all the top 3 gainers, even the market has given top 3 gainers, that is going buy side, because Nifty has crossed more than 0.25%. Your target has been achieved 40%. And so definitely it's going to be complete green profitable manner for you. So try to choose at least, try to pick 3 stocks, try to trade at least 2 stocks. That's my recommendation to you guys. So always go for trailing stop loss and fix a target once your entry got triggered. So this is one of the method where you can go for entry. This is a completely intraday strategy, so where you can go for entry and try to book your profits in a green manner, in a green color profitable manner. That's what. Yeah, so I hope you enjoy this video, and please share this strategy to your friends, and please like this video, share it, comment it, and subscribe for more updates. And stay safe. And because the cyclone is hitting Tamil Nadu and other regions also, try to be safe. And because next 48 hours going to be very tough condition for all the Tamil Nadu areas, and try to be safe, and even for the corona also. So subscribe my videos for more updates, and anything, if you need doubts you can ask me and comment it. So I definitely will try to reply a lot. Okay, bye bye, take care, signing off, Sandy. Bye bye.